Hey everyone, and thanks for checking out my video. Today I wanted to show you how the finishes will look on a countertop if you choose to use the spray can version of Tub and Tile from Krylon, as well as the Krylon spray can for appliance epoxy as well. So this is the first sink, and this one is using Tub and Tile from Krylon. The finish is really bright, and you do see some shining. This is the actual spray can I got from Amazon. You can get these from Sherwin-Williams. I have not found these inside of Home Depot or Lowe's. This was about, I think it was $5 and some change, or maybe less. I can't 100% remember. But the durability of this right now is an issue for me because it's supposed to have a porcelain-like finish once you apply it. And this is more of a matte type of finish. It is not really 100% smooth, only in certain places. Like if I come here in this crevice, this is the smoothest part of my entire sink. It's just like, I don't know, it's like a weird matte finish they have. I did read comments about it, and I was like, maybe I won't get the same thing, but no, I got the same type of finish. So I do not like that. Also, I did the scratch test. So what I do when I have any type of painted surface, I like to go into a little area nobody really see, and I come over here and I just scratch it. And as you can see, it's been scratched. So if I have my children over here, or if I'm doing anything, if I place anything on top of it and it moves, it will typically come off. So now I am about to apply some coats of what is it, urethane, interior base, water based polyurethane, just to give it some durability. I'm not sure how it would react putting it on top of the Tub and Tile, but this is not durable at all. Now I carefully place this on top of my countertop just so I don't mess it up, but this is the brand and what I'm going to be using inside of semi-gloss. I got this from I believe Home Depot for about $40 something, and I'm going to be applying, it says recommended, of 3 coats, and I'm hoping it will work. I do love the way that it looks, but I just do not want to mess this up and have to take it all off, and you know, that's a whole process in itself. Also, I tried to do a little experiment just to see which side would be more durable. I also purchased a 2x Ultra Cover primer, and I did spray primer on a portion of my countertops while using the Tub and Tile spray to see if it would be more durable with or without the actual spray. So you already seen on that side when I scratched it, it came off. That side does not have any of the primer. Now if I come on this side of my wall and I'm going to scratch it, there is nothing coming off. So I'm not telling you to go buy primer, but the primer side does not scratch, whereas the other side that does not have primer did scratch. I did sand this surface down as well. I sanded to a white dust, meaning that the top layer was coming off. I saw white dust everywhere, and I wiped it off using Ajax as an abrasion cleaner as well. So this is what I used for this countertop, and I'm going to be applying my polyurethane with a Purdy Clear Cut stiff brush. This is just what I already had. I just needed to get something really in these corners behind my new fixture. I didn't want to get anything on there. I don't really feel like taping it off. Yes, I'm being lazy, so I'm using the right size brush to get around all these areas. And now we're going to show you what the appliance epoxy countertop looks like. Now this is the countertop. I decided to use the appliance epoxy from Rustoleum. This is the actual can that I used, and it's washable and moisture resistant, smooth factory-like finish. Now for this one, it is totally different with the overall appearance. After I was finished doing all of the prep work, which I sanded as well, and then I used Ajax as well to clean it all off, and then I sanded again. This one gives a much more smoother finish than the actual tub and tile, and the gloss is glossy. It is not matte finish like the other one at all. I did also use primer as the base. I did read the can. It says primer not recommended because this formula is specially designed to go on aluminum, but this countertop is not aluminum at all. But I need to have me a little quick fix for my countertop. Of course, I could have used paint, but I already had this in my house. I don't want to buy anything else. So yeah, I'm going to do the scratch test for this as well. So go into an area no one really sees, and I'm going to give it a quick little scratchy. And this one, yeah, it didn't really do it like the other one did. Yeah, so alright, so this one actually is not giving me any type of peel off like the other one did. I do feel little bumps and stubbles, which a quick little sand could make that go away. I love the shine of this. Like I stated before, it is so much better than the Tub and Tile brand from Krylon. So for this one, I don't feel like I would apply the polyurethane right now. I do know that I do know that when I was in the store, I did see those little touch-up kits for the appliance situations. So I may just buy that. But yeah, I really like the way this one turned out. Again, I am used this one from Rustoleum, and I think it came out really well. And after 48 hours, I am completely done the refinishing of my countertop in my bathroom. I decided to go ahead and use 3 coats of the polyurethane. And here is the second bathroom with the appliance epoxy applied to the counter. I already starting to put things back onto my counter. Very durable. And which one would I choose? If I did not have polyurethane, I would use the appliance epoxy onto my countertops versus the actual tub and tile one, mostly because of the durability. When I used the actual spray can to apply this onto my countertop, it was very sticky and thick, and the tub and tile was very watery and thin. And I do believe that the formula that was used for the appliance epoxy is much better in the can for durability, which is why this one came out with a gloss-like finish for the protective barrier, and the tub and tile can came out in a matte finish and was very not, and it wasn't really durable as you saw me do the scratch test. So I hope this helped anyone who was deciding to do a quick little update in their bathroom, saving a couple coins, just to do something really easy and simple.